So today in school, Gaga tweeted this picture of her today. It said, "Have a beautiful day," and it had a picture like this. And this is what I wore to school today, with this in my hair. I was freaking out. I started dancing all around. I was like, oh my god, we're both wearing a white flower. I love her. Okay, another reason I love her is Gaga's message. She tells all of us what we all stand for, and that's bravery, acceptance, some things I've talked about, and just being married to your own heart and kind of not letting anyone step on you. And I remember at the concert, when she was giving her speech after a love game, and she said, "I want you to leave here not loving me more, but loving yourself more, little monsters." And for an artist to say that, who is so incredibly beautiful, talented, outstanding, just amazing, that means that she's not selfish. She really cares about us loving ourselves more than we love her, and she focuses on that a lot, and that's just amazing. And I love her message, how she defends gay rights. I've always defended that because I have a stepbrother who's gay, and it doesn't bother me at all. I've been to defend that forever. Love is love, but here's her message. It's a big reason why I like her. My friend today asked me, why are you so obsessed with her? And I said, she's not just an artist, she's so much more. It's what she stands for. And she told me, I told her about making this video, and she's like, you're crazy. But, yeah, her message is beautiful, and it gets me through a lot, and it stands for the same things I am, which is just be yourself. Even though it's not always easy, you have to. I don't know how else it would be, but her message is beautiful, and she's never stopped preaching it. I'm excited to hear what more she has to say and stand up for. Pause out. Wet flower.